Hello everyone, today we are gonna build a track. There are 870 pieces. Let's open the box to build the track. Let's read the instructions. Let's work with a partner now. We need to use these buttons to connect these track pieces. This track is coming along nicely. Now let's put the support beams. We're halfway done. Waluigi, get off the track.
Let's put the rail, and don't forget the tunnel. Let's put the rail on the other side of the track.
Waluigi, stop sleeping in the tunnel.
Look, Mario, I built another railing.
The track is complete. Now let's drive.
Let's cheer for Mario! Wow, what an excitement for Mario!
Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.